In this video tutorial, I'll show you how to create a business account in the Cherry Team program. I'll demonstrate how much it will cost your business to use the system, how to register on the website and create a business account, how to invite users to your company and assign them a role, how to set permissions and edit their structure for the company's administration. First, let's take a look at how much the app costs. After entering the website, I click on Pricing. I see 4 different plans here. The most expensive, Starter, for up to 5 employees, costs €5 per employee per month. And the cheapest, Pro, for over 30 employees, costs €4.12 per employee per month. So what does this mean? Depending on how many employees will administer in the program, you will pay as much. For example, if your company has 20 employees, we can enter the number 20 and see that the middle plan would cost the company €85 per month. If there are more or fewer employees, you can freely change the number and see the monthly price of the subscription. Also, if you want to buy an annual subscription at a discount or your company has more than 100 employees, click on the button below to get an offer. Fill out the form and you will definitely receive your discounted subscription deal. Below, you can see what features the system has. Please note that our plans do not have an additional charge for the number of business account users compared to other CRM, HRMS business management programs. The Cherry Team system does not limit the number of users. All personal accounts can use the system for free, and companies may or may not limit their administration size. You'll see soon. First, registration on the website. Click the Get Started button in the upper right corner of the website. In the window that opens, I press Continue and I see the required fields: full name, email, phone number, password, which must contain at least one capital letter, number, and symbol, and repeat it. After filling everything out, I accept the terms of use and click Continue. In the next window, I see that I have been sent verification codes. It is important to enter the email and SMS message codes in the correct fields. After entering the codes, I press Login and the registration is successful. Now that I have a personal account and am logged in, my menu appears on the left of the dashboard, where I can store my personal contacts, monitor projects, and salaries. I can also change the screen theme to dark or light themes. I can receive and read private messages on the right, and I can see which account I am in by clicking on the top corner. Company creation. To create a business account, go to Settings in the left menu and click on Companies and Subscriptions. Here we see the empty company bar, click to expand plans, blank credit card bar, and an empty payment history. To create a new business account, I press the Add Company button, and in the open window I press Save. I immediately see the required fields: company name, address, email, and phone number. If you select the company from the list after entering a name, all fields will be filled in automatically. Otherwise, you'll have to fill them in manually. Clicking Next, you can enter the card details, or you can do it later by clicking Skip. The last step is to check, read, and accept the terms. Now I can click on Save, and in the list I see the newly created company card. Clicking on the card opens the plans where you can monitor the subscription price, and clicking on More, then Update, takes us to the business account settings. Here we see the company's main contact information and additional details, team, company's administration users, permissions, team role permissions, and structure, change company user structure. Now, I will add a company logo. Note that there is no logo in the upper left corner of the screen. By pressing the Update button on the top right, I can edit and add additional company information. I add the company logo and press Save. I can see that my uploaded logo has appeared in the upper left corner. User invitations to a business account. In the Company Update window, I will invite several users to the team. I press the Invite button, but before proceeding, I need to add an email account. I select Gmail, click Continue, and confirm until the account is activated. And in the open window, I immediately click Invite and see the required fields. In Role, I select Manager, then enter the email address and press Invite. I repeat this with another user and assign them the owner role. Then assign the employee role to a third one, the reader role to the fourth one, and for the last one the admin role, until I have 5 invitations with different roles. Now we'll show you how to accept invitations. For this, I created a Gmail to which I sent the invitation. I see a message in the inbox. I open the message and see the invitation link. I click on the link, and in the new window, I see that I need to register. After registration and logging in, a window appears for the user with an invitation to the company's team. Accepting the invitation shows that the user has been accepted. Once the user has accepted the invitation, their full name, phone, and email will be visible. Next, permissions. After clicking on permissions, I see a bar with roles. After clicking Add New Role, you can enter the name of the position and save it. A new role will appear after the owner role. All roles except the owner role can be edited by clicking on the update icon. Rename the role, add an email address, delete, and save. Permission settings. A list of permissions is displayed below each role. Permissions can be set to None, Access Disabled, Unavailable, Read, Only View Mode, Write, Full Access Granted. Permissions for each role can be changed depending on the position of the employees, to grant them more or less privileges. Company structure. Pressing structure, I can see all created roles and the users in them on the screen. Owner, myself, new position, no user, admin, manager, employee, and reader to whom I sent invitations previously. Roles can also be interchanged. Click and hold, then drag the card up or down. Roles cannot be dragged over the owner because the position of the owner is not changeable. You can also drag a contact card from one role to another. We can also add the company emails to each role from which the administration could reply, send, and read messages. But more about that in our next tutorial. I hope this video tutorial will help you when using the Cherry Team program in the future. We look forward to your comments. Thank you for watching.